Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Epa Aniye don't receive another food again from Collins Imudia Foundation. Collins Imudia don't go market, go do another shopping again for Epa Aniye. At time, everybody where they give this continuous support to Collins Imudia Foundation to take help this old man and old woman. See the happiness, see the joy we wanna give them. Now another age, now na just add to their life. So with all this help, we wanna they give this woman and Epa. Now another age, now na add join their life. As now they give and this help, so now so somebody go still the help now. Because now what you do to somebody, now person go still do to you for this life. As you they help this old woman and this old man, you where they send that money, now so person go still help you. Make I not take una time too much. Make I leave you with Collins Imudia. Make you see the things where you go deliver to them.
But it's been barricaded, so but we have to now do the rest on foot. It's called selflessness. They want to see big man for inside charity. They want to see air condition help person. You do on that song, they help people. Now so they help. Where park clothes, where year clothes? Now guy you do it. Our brother, CEO Wesley Hotel, God bless you, sir. We appreciate you for being a part of our foundation. God bless you. More ask how we take it. Guy, Oga, now one bad trip of sand use here. Where will we carry and pass now? From now till next week Wednesday. We'll come wait till Wednesday next week before we come work here. No. All those one I do. That one I do for back. Nothing never pass now. Come. That one. Nothing come like this. That play motor they come. Motor they from there that junction. And that means we bring tip house and go pass there now. For Saint Savior. That boy now, that's what we did. Yes. Now yesterday they did. Motor not flying. Okay, motor will be the end, sha. By tomorrow, uncle. Okay, now well done. Now well done. Now they try. They are doing the road here. We want to see how we can start working in the past house. We want to start plastering that house and putting windows. You get so. Okay, General Ivis, no while I go work. God bless you for that word, General Ivis. We just came back from went to share food. If you missed any part of our videos, you can check us back on the other previous videos. Large Pulatin, you came late to class. I'm American, I just didn't wake up. What do you think? You know, so we want to plaster that apart on his house. I want to put new slide window for them. I want to set up block to cover that exposure. So we'll start working in their house. One mama called me yesterday, said she wants us to put PVC in the past house, but I'm yet to hear from her. A lot wise. God bless you. If you enter your mind, say more put PVC, we'll do them. No, my friend tell me said how much the wood. We don't do the noggin. Then we calculate and don't ask me how many this thing will reach for PVC. That palo bill exactly reach you palo. No. This palo big pass reach you palo. Thank God say I never collect money for your hand. Thank God say I never collect money for your hand. Now to have foundation money join it. I know matter sha. Anywhere person money reach will help. Foundation can do their own. I'll join them. Now small workout. My account number. Oh, I don't forget again to pin and the no vex. Don't they work out the type? Thanks for the reminder, bro. Our account number has been pinned. Oh, thank you. Yes, now Sasato, I know you'll be active member for our foundation. Active, better one. So that's a barricade. You know how to carry sand, carry chair, not come a problem. Hello. Yeah. The pie is outside. The pie who one I want most. Domo sa. Domo. My very. My tiny woman say where. My young winner man. Domo. You. You. Well. Yes, man. None of us are consistent. Man, yeah, back with you. I back with you. No, I want to walk now. Hey, yo. Domo. Emi wa bun no mu. Ina ga sima na ya tamawe. And ewe mi agugui. Ya gwe. Ale ibuwe. Ya gwe. Come on. Magare man, 3 days ago, Epa was wearing this same trouser. We were here yesterday, Epa was wearing this same trouser. Today, Epa is still wearing the same trouser. We wanna get your trouser by mama. The trouser na power wa your pa. What do I join? E man send you go na adu pon when you ata mama no dey so wa. Iyan we boy is here ni na adu pon no we joy. Who ya muin?
My say,
About myself, who are me the boy, you were the cool.
any cool when you say, only
Only a package chest need them when you have with your barrel. So, Mamma go, we are sending me good. Who joy? The trouser by the Monday, the Tuesday, the Wednesday. And yeah, well, I'll make sure who we know ye trouser.
Okay.
Man, understand, man. Wallah, man. Wallah. Ni je na gbe na gbe me ka iye wa ran ta mi we ti we oni cha Who ata who time You dey feel me? Yes.
What are the back carry shops?
Which future?
You want to back carry shop?
Chef.
Shop.
Sharp did the two fronts now.
It's not the two front nine shop.
You understand? So first and foremost, I don't tell the part today. Benu jo na ne we na sa. Akwa ye blue. Akwa ye the other one. He do how many packets is there? Go almost 6 abi. One joy ugi ya ho e. Ga ye. En wa una. Wa ri e different one okwe uwe no yo no kai. O mana jo ya reta mame. Ma wa se mana ha. Na wa dupo nu wopa. Ma is a dupo nu wopa o miene. Wa go fi weri. Yes. Oh man, no send me the kewebo. Ona mi egu joy. Almost ebu oye me arso. Leko. Enu mu yin wa we be ka mi po pa. E pa wa ka we de mi po yin ajo. Ah? Oh, my marriage no are you. E pa fosla. No, orion I wu. Wa je gbogbo aladian. I'm very soon man dey but vita make you know. Wan wait you we.
Mami mani je kuna ga.
Gi mani.
Mani kwasi. Mami egbe mani be kebe.
Yes. Yeah, so but now very marry man ah. Oti ma pa so ni gogun. Awe ni dupon ni no wa. Idopa no e don ipa. Awe no wa jo ni e de gebe na. So give me the clothes. Papa, no when I say. I want you change now. Oh you. Oh you.
Yeah, you talk again.
You try that. Oh yeah, change no lare. Oh yeah, papa, you change. Yeah, you change. You change. Go 100 go like that. Oh yeah. Feko. The fire change. Don't sir. So we'll leave a pan here to change. Then after they are changed, we'll come and discuss the way forward for the rest. But for now, we'll manage. Yes, now I make you not let the woman tell and say wear this clothes. Wow. Remind me where there. Magu we go man. How it you? Oh, so we no ya fi we here. We no change. Iye. La o wa no change. Ye wu no ro, ye trouser no ro. Oh yeah. Zabo, huh? Yes, ga we get nepa. Nepa adege no so nyemegbe. Yes now. How I will love you say do for me. I will half. No, so you still get trust I go do get pass a pa still laugh say where monya where. You know, so that's the past first daughter. Here today we stumbled upon how we came. I think a pa told them how good Collins Media Foundation have been coming. You understand? So mama, we make mommy anyway no wa. Yeah,
yeah, why I was see. Yes, he may be near you.
Why I swing?
Wow, was it?
And
then why they never time.
Okay.
Which you are in the yard.
Okay. Where Jerry when I had a robot? Okay.
Are you door?
So that's the process. We'll just wait for them. Let the pack dress.
Wow, was it?
Come
on.
It's only say we're so bad. Oh, we're not gonna. Yeah, sorry. I think said she just lost her first son. Go, problem deal everywhere. Problem deal. Hey, live there, two of you. I don't know where party sit down now. How can you put in your leg? All day. Everywhere, but God will assist. That's my belief. You know, so we have a lot to do here, and we're doing them. The only problem we're having now is that they have barricaded their road because they just started it. Get you. You know, so there's been a barricade. Trucks cannot enter here now. Even if we want to buy cement now, they cannot bring it here. If we want to buy The sound now they cannot bring it here. But what we'll do, we'll only go and pay for them to start the window to do. Yeah, they cannot start creating the window. And you guys should start it, and then perhaps if it's done, we'll not tell him we want to come and pick it with the net. You get, so that we can come here and install it. But in the meantime, we will just sort out a fan here. I don't want to be depressed. Understand? So it's okay, yeah. Let's wait for Ipa and Iye to dress. Ipa is dressing up, Iye is dressing up. So let's wait for them to come and let's see the grand style they come out with. We want to be sure they keep wearing what we're buying for them. You understand? Even the native that they went to sew for them that day, the next time I come, I'll tell you go and change. You wear it. They're looking good. Looking good. I don't know who will come out first. Who will come out first? You know, to see his axe, you know, he is so dressed. You need to see, but let's be patient. He be like chick, so just wait. Network. Now network wants to finish us here. We'll be waiting. So they are still dressing, but we're here. So network, it's network that's disturbing me. So he is dressing up. Ipa is dressing up. Please share this video. Let's reconnect all our guys. This is the part a lot of people have been waiting for. It will be too wrong if it happens on their behalf. I beg. I've told you to go and redress. He's dressing up, so I don't feel your show. Like until we complete. I beg. We must complete too.
Why have you not taken your calls? Why have you not taken your calls?
They buy pure water for me, and they're very tasty, man. Let's reconnect. Make a plenty. I beg. Share. Everybody share. Oh. Please, as your entry, please share. I beg you. I've never begged you to share before, but please share this one. Because this is the part people are waiting for. Please. People are waiting. A lot of people are running to Facebook now and checking Collins Emudia out. I beg. Mo share. Mo invite them back, all of them. Please. He is dressing up. Ipa is dressing up. So we'll carry them food. I beg. When I share.
Your card is finished. My card not finished.
How can your card finish? A strong member of Collins Emudia Foundation. Princess Gold, yeah, share. Everybody share. I want to mention her name. Jenny share. Edith share. Cynthia share. Tina Gosling, well, yeah. Favor. Asemota share. Honey Bell, I believe you don't share. Ebony Black share. Ivy Agbon share. Oh yeah, we don't plenty they come. I beg, our guys need to know. They are searching for us now. Favor Robo Saya share. Samuel Nino Blinks share. Sydney West share. I beg, mo share. Round of God bless you. Make a pin account number there. You know, so we're complete here, all of us there. If you have shared, just type I have shared. Let me know, please. Vico Sars, God bless you. God bless you. I'm glad I touched your heart. If you have shared, just say I have shared. Please just type I have shared. I don't say don't share. Engineer Yos, I have shared. Just type I have shared so that we can bring this comedy section into play now. Maureen Francis, share, please. Mercy John, share. If you have shared, just say I have shared. Or say I will share. Oh yeah, I think Ipa and Iye, they're almost set. I think we can start. No need waiting. Hey, Mama. Bros, now they sell water here. Now when you go, Madam Mary. Madam. Come and buy a bottle of water for me. Oh yeah, we'll start the video. I don't want to start showing you. I don't want to start showing you tea. We share. Let's be plenty. A lot of people want to see this section. Buy bottled water for me. Ever bottled water. Cold ones, Abo. So, please, let's. If you have shared, just type I have shared. Julia Larry, share. All of us, let's share. Let's bring our people in. This segment. If I want Nick, I want to know. Oh, yeah, let's reconnect. Network, you will fade today. Let's reconnect. You might drop a. Oh, yeah, my pin account session there. Let's reconnect. Network will fade today. May not worry. Network, everybody must see this video today. Yeah. As you enter, please share. We'll just kick up this one. We won't wait for anybody again. One man.
Now why you back?
Let me go buy one for you. So, yeah, please share. Let's get our guys in quick before network will see dollars again. Before network will dollars again, we quick do this film. Just pay me for those that didn't meet up. A lot of people are waiting for this part and see where we are now. Network, I don't see the worry network. But we'll do it now. I think we should just start the process. No need to wait for anybody, right? Before network will dollars again, we'll quit doing. Come on for ground. Okay, so after our entry, please share and let's bring our guys in. Don't be selfish, please. Network is disturbing us, but we'll manage. What is it?
Give me like that.
What worry?
You need to work money. Don't see the way they block.
Did they worry you? Okay, I think we should just start. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most beautiful couples in Benin City. Our most eloquent Iye Nipa Atopawa Iye Lare. Women first, ladies first. So I present Iye to you, coming out in a grand style. You know, Iye is coming out in a grand style. Rapine. Yes. Just come out as a beautiful girl. Iye, our beautiful baby just came out fully. You see how beautiful Iye is. God bless you, Sister Happy, Italy. God bless you for making Iye this beautiful. You know, and then I present to you Iye with Total Mama. Total. Let me present to you a part one of Amsterdam. Who we are out here pa. Oh, no bueno. Total. So I present to you the Tupac of Benin City, a pa himself. This is our Jandon. This is our Jandon. God bless you all for making a pa this beautiful. You know, this is so cute on a pa now. Wow, a pa be like when you come from abroad. God bless you all, you know. God bless you all. God bless you all. See how beautiful this looks on Iye. And this looks beautiful on a pa. See a pa now like Tupac. A pa be like Jay-Z. You know, beautiful. Wow. So beautiful. Let me do something. Beautiful. See how beautiful and cute. God bless you. God bless you all for making them this beautiful. I present to you the most beautiful couples in Benin. Sweet 16. You see? So God bless you. God bless you. This looks good on the par. It's so, you know? So, see how cute a pa is looking. Wow, see how he looks sweet. A pa don't get cheeky way, on a baby way. Who that your boyfriend with man? Who die you? Boyfriend will show you love. Where die you? Your boy, you're in your hand. Yeah. Now so. You know, so God bless you all. Put a smile on the family's face. You know, this is cute, man. Share this video, please. Yeah, when a pa is not looking cute, you know. God bless you all. See how fine it looks on a pa. You know, see here too. It's He said, oh, God bless you. He said, God bless you all for looking out for a pan. God bless you all. So for the room, we will start plastering the wall. My only fear, we would have started plastering the wall today or tomorrow, but they cannot enter this place because the road. They just start the road, so car cannot enter. You understand? So please be patient with us. If you have sponsored this process, God bless you. All of you that are sending your donations, God bless all of you. As it stands, we are going to buy 2 windows for them. Glass windows. That place you see, yeah? That place you see with wood, we are going to put glass there and then remove that wood. This place, we are going to put 2 glasses there too and remove the wood. You get, so there's going to be glass here. And then please, if you want to assist for the PVC, we love to put PVC here. You get, so that they can put standing fan. But we are set to plaster everywhere here. We are set already. By the time we are plastering it, all those dirty chairs will leave here. All these dirty chairs will leave here. By the time we are ready, when we come here for plastering next tomorrow, or when they say they've opened the road, all these dirty chairs will leave here. All this one, they will all live here. So we are set. As it stands, we have the money for the 2 windows already. The 2 glass here slide and the 2 glass here slide. It has been taken care of. God bless all of you who helped us, home and abroad. You understand? God bless all of you. God bless all of you. So by the time we put 2 windows there, we will not set block to cover the remaining place that will be open. Block. My the cement. My the cement. Ma the cement. Young cement very now. The can where? Ma ya pay yo. Mana ya pay. No, the person need to get motor. We all bring and come for the purpose of this work. Let's start by buying. How many bags will plaster this place? 5 bags. We'll plaster them. We'll buy 7 bags. Yes, we'll buy 7 bags. Go setting. One man a bricklayer with you. A bricklayer. Oro. You got calling number one the door yo. If I women phone. Women phone. Eh? Okay, ni a call you why they call you wa. Even no water or it me power pa la augment me ana ni we go le bricklayer ke me o. But women phone and we no me phone I stay yo wa. Wa mi o pa. Ya de phone no. Ya ga de wa ko ya de phone no ya ko. Huh? Yeah, I want the phone pa de no we ya de phone wa va low. Uga warowa. Urowa. No wala jaka de ni panel la won. Oh wa van no mi a call you no my phone when you go go. Won jealousy yan. La jealousy. So if I had the phone, we see. You had the phone kiri. And why you receive a call. You understand? So that you call you okay. La augment a me na ta me bricklayer. No roto ma deal. And then ma ga ri yo we an winner. Ita ma we ta me yan an winner ma de ma do pay yan. You understand? Ya ko we na gwale trip of sand. Ya call you no time we no gwale tipa no around ma. No do mu eken yo. Iba. God bless you, Lucky Nice. You know him? You know, I say, "Mama, you know." Yeah, where do you gallery? Yeah, I work in your door. So because that one, my till marry. Nene guy where 18 like man that one no. Oh 18 Lodori.
That junction, yeah, they said, yeah, like they said,
Which one? That one take more work. We're going to tell Big Clam we go measure some coin. We're going to complain. Too far. It's too far. We will look for a way, if possible. Make the computer for a power side somewhere here. For road. You know block road. One trip no block road now. You know if you climb that one, go break. My tea I'm working here. I am you the one. Help boy me. Help boy me you are. Where? The too narrow, no fienta. No. What will we do first is to be sure this road is open. We will know what to do. Not be the one with it also. If road open, say the same will go to back home. No, that will not be sand remain. My own now is if Tipper they say they open this road now. I rather to drive from make Tipper follow me. If we reach us, I will know how we do the sand. Don't worry yourself. I don't know. At least if we decide to say by Monday we want to start working, this road will open. Between now and Monday, this road will be open. So let's do that one. So if not soon. But the first thing in my account now is to buy you a phone. You know the phone when you know I call you. More thing no, you cure there. You cure there. We are tomorrow this Sunday, this Saturday you cure there. I can call a tip on my way to drop him. He drive the man to drop him this Saturday. You had the phone river you had the phone, the SIM card yo. MTN SIM card, ni make na radio me go. MTN me lo me MTN call you. My way are gist. Yeah. Here you go. Worry, you didn't a phone. Recharge card you are away. One, you make anything I call you. So yeah. What are you anyway now? Unuba. Huh? Igbava. Why we? Yeah, we pay here. Why? Then why you have? Oh my dear. So yes. Okay, no. Yeah. Okay. I want who tell her them. We not you. Okay. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's been a part of the segment. You know, but for you who's supporting our process, God bless you. You understand? We've got all your donations. You know, we've got all your donations, and then we will keep working. But our only constraint presently is that the road is not accessible. It's just newly tarred. And if you see behind me, it's been barricaded. So that means nobody can pass through. You understand? Not to talk of a tipper. You get? So, but as it stands, I'm glad and I'm happy that Epa is well dressed now. God bless you, my sister. Happy for these clothes. And then for this one, for you. It was well received and they are so happy. God bless you. You understand? So I'll still find out from them. Why even there? Huh? Heroike. Is a hero, Heroike. I'm gonna be half bag of rice. I'm gonna go buy a bag tomorrow. My they have bag of rice. We'll buy a bag of rice. Why you want figbo? Why you know Ruru? Anyway, I feel car. Anyway, yeah, so Bobo. Maybe we are Ladia. Oh, where Mamma right now? You know. So, no bad rice.
Say, are you with me?
A mangi hero. Mad the mangi by. Mad the mangi by. Why you my guy? Okay. No problem. We'll start from there. We'll get them some foodstuffs tomorrow. You know, courtesy or your support. You understand? We cannot just commit everything to class train of the world. Let's also make sure they are well fed. Their feeding is priority to me because you must stay alive to live in a room. So while we're doing the cleaning of the room and arranging it for them to be very conducive, we'll also be looking at hunger virus. So we'll be fighting that. These people don't have coronavirus. No worry. They are only fighting hunger virus here. You get so. Why you venue? Makamenya. You makadenya. But where you ma? Okay. Ya dinya. Inya vize ade. Wakwe. If not a little thing, yeah, when your mama drive a reki na na wa dinya. Now. Yeah, give my message. Why am I going to buy my? I want buy rice. Now. But now I can do it now. What will be time? To 3 times day now. Market day near your power here now. Let's just go buy a bag of rice, buy yams, like maybe. Let's see as the spirit leads. Let's collect money from the bank and then just do it. So ladies and gentlemen, you can stay put with us. Let's go get them food. If we can save people next tomorrow or tomorrow from dying today, why don't we? It won't cost us anything. You understand? So let's just go buy. Okay, Sasato, no problem. No problem. You get so let's do it together. We're doing it together. You watching me and me and you doing it together. You get so let's drive to nearby market at Vatia school. You go down primary school, abi?
When how much practical no?
No worry. Network. We're going to the market. We're going to the market now, so no worry. We'll buy the food and come and give them. Wow. So we're going to the market now to go and buy them food. Oh my guys, all of now they run they come. I know say Facebook go not now Facebook know what they do. They don't notice say a lot of people just put attention for one place. So I don't know they record my video, you know. Forgive and take the needful. We have battery, we have subscription, we have everything. So we'll be here. Let's take care of this family today. They are still working in Eritio's house. We'll get to me. Small of us go market, go buy food stuff for them. Small. Let's go and add a little food stuff to what they have. Oh, Godala market here we come. Thank you, sir. Let's do the meat. There's time for everything. Please don't call into my live video now, please. Thank you. Okay, Italy people, stop calling me now. I don't want to call this network again. With the manager, I beg. I need money. 20,000. Bro, I'm on live video, please. I'll call you back.
Bring that okay.
I'm on live video, please. I'll call you back.
Bring 200.
Please, if you want to do anything for those people I'll be mentioning, you say you want to buy phone for EA, please send us the money. Send us the money so that we can buy it, please. You don't want to promise it before the EA just now. You should go high. No, Allah.
I may go. Well, I don't have. It doesn't have any.
Sorry? I give you my ATM. I ask you what I want to withdraw. No, I want use some fried rice.
Sorry, sir.
I give you my ATM. Now this guy ask this kind of like question. You see somebody from it, you say what I did about.
When center once you
No, I did well on so.
Papa, I'm not the account.
Yes, please.
Either Zenith or GT Bank. GT Bank. Don't collect this one.
No wahala, sir.
You go here.
No wahala. If you write on messenger for me, I'll drop me your number. Thank you. Actor, you just promised to subscribe for me tomorrow. Thank you. God bless you. Ibn Joshua, here they come. We come buy food stuff for that here on the panel from the market.
30. How much? 35. Okay, what do you think? So I'll give you 30. Almost 200.
Ben Joshua, I'm fine. Very fine. Good all of you. Network
I do the transaction. I was not here, and he didn't tell me of the short transaction. Because no matter what,
trying to collect money now.
Twitter will come out. She said Twitter did not come out. Something is wrong somewhere.
For you say I send you 10,000, send you 20,000. See how they use your
Something is wrong somewhere. How will you tell me say no network? When transaction is
plaster now. Even the window, I'll go and do it.
You know,
Sakwe, no verse, bro. I can't forget. Our network now they cost some.
Now when you show here, now you go show. You know, we show pay there. Oh no, that go back.
Give my money, you've debited me. No, don't wait. I need
money. Talkie. Ah.
Thank you, Sasatoy. Thank you. My account number has just been pinned. Has just been pinned to the section. So if you want to support us, please do. Julia Puli, Mama, where you go since I don't find you?
There is no way back to say successful, and you will say there is no network.
So we'll go and pay for the window today.
If it's not successful, no matter what happens on that period, the Twitter will come out. No matter what. Even if not decline with anything,
I don't get money, now me or just lose like that.
Now only way is there.
Okay. You are good. You can then just reverse now and enter the market. We are not far from the market.
But if God bless you, no, what do you mean?
Kai, what is hot for Nigeria now? I don't enter there. Okay, for the market. I'll show you around. No, I don't want to buy catfish. I want to buy rice. Mama. Thank you, ma. Now, mama, I follow buy him that day. Come, ma. I did, ma. We're busy. No, we can't go to buy for dancing. The dancing man I there or over now. You know where you're here, man. I hear you. How about back to 200 just now for dancing?
200.
No. Tell the person say I do on call.
500. I don't know 450. I don't know where they
How much was it on that?
You only need 250.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How much was this one now? Yeah, is that what?
Oh no, man, the price now.
Oh, but that is fun now with you.
Who women we are there?
If I don't say this one now, say 350.
Mama, more than me.
Oh, when or even no.
More than me, man.
What the man?
Ah, I'm not them, not the go you know.
Oh,
Work when you work here say last.
350.
Yet, we 350, we work here last. Oh, man. The market is a big place to price. Mama, anybody is Kali, where this is the town one. Inigo a bag of rice. We fake be 23,500 for bag. Ni mamie, about Sarunda, money Amuna Rope Mozena.
There is an Amuna now. You're welcome back.
I hear you.
Not be like see price for you now.
We get 22 hours. The rice too expensive. How much is it? 600, 700. 250. 250. More go price rice. More drive, go third. We'll see bag of rice. Market na be the Jamaican. How much I buy a bag of rice? Mama, even we go buy, you go hang his animal. 22.5, sha. You have to tell him more. 22.5. 22.5.
Madam,
we may go and run the night customer. We say na lele we there. So mama, how much last for you?
How much? I think take am 450. How much you want?
You're tired.
I say buy, I'm not get farm. Na so they give me.
Na dancing for the come, we go back there.
700. How much you want pay? Now 400.
How much your last price?
How much you want pay?
Tell me your last price now.
Okay, yeah, na 350 last.
How much last?
Oh yeah.
You said 300 a month.
Na here be 300.
No, give me here 300.
Let me say no say no.
You know what I'm selling? I'm going to go find some people. What you told mama 22.5, make sure I have for me. You didn't really wear them. I'm making shakara. I'm making shakara.
23 for which one?
Bag of rice.
This one. This one.
This one.
Okay. Yeah, this one. I mean this one.
Now the fair be that one.
A local rice. I know. Oh, yeah, give us half. We'll buy half bag now. 11.5. I want to buy yam, Jenna, not sir. That woman say 300, ba? Eh?
How much is this one?
No.
This one, how much?
300, not even 250.
280.
Me say even 250, sir.
No, 280. 280, I know why.
Thank you, sir.
I know why. How many you want pick?
I say I come with 270. If I talk like 270 when I set it up.
You don't even get many yam. How much you give me for this one last?
Na 350. See here when I give you.
No, madam, this one you're talking about 350, so not 300.
If you let me say that.
One by 10.
Let me that boy see guy.
100 by 10.
If you let me say, not let that woman come.
You select better 10.
320. We'll come be how much like that?
May they not go cheat me for rice side. Me come here.
Me. I know the cheap person. They look low.
Thank you.
No, man, you they look me.
Huh? You just go money like you want to serve See what you want, serve. Serve that one.
And a 2 rubber now. It's a 19 rubber, dude. It's supposed to be 19 rubber for full bag. It can be 18 rubber and 19 view. Ellis, not let this lady select small yam for me.
No, she never want to agree for the price.
I won't want to select by ourselves. Not just stress yourself. Madam, if I need to buy, I'll come and meet you. God bless you. 5. I better let on the fool. Okay, I'll buy vegetable for a pan. No wahala. Seven. A person they have oil, so no need for oil. Eight.
Okay, you do it.
And I want me to jar on one hand. What did happen?
No.
Alright. Yeah, tie on.
This not there.
No, they get beans, they still get beans. How many yams are there? 35. Take. Yo, nah. Look at me, count money.
You tell me how much is that? 11. That is a balance.
So we'll be 22.5. Don't take 23.
23, that's 11, 10, 11, 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.5. Give us change, I'm not get 500. That's really all. You my customer.
I won't carry and follow us. Madam.
I want to use this 500.
500.
To buy vegetable. Where they go? What do you need to buy? For them to carry this one, you are looking for car. Which one? No, not the project. Ellis carry one. Coming to carry one, more they go. I buy vegetable, more they go. Not to you. Let me buy vegetables. Fresh vegetable. How much? 300. No, 300 not to buy. Why you do shakara for me? Oh yeah, bring them. Those slice on themselves. I had to throw. I want buy mangi. I'll buy mangi with the change. I never forget I'll buy mangi. Thank you for reminding me.
Give me 300.
Y'all see mangi now. Y'all see mangi. Hey, I don't forget mangi. Who dey here? Come give me mangi. See anytime. Mangi. I want to know. This one.
600.
I go be 600. 500. No mangi. Packet. 500. You. Alright, give me. So give me change. I won't do anything. I want to go eat some myself.
100.
For that big one.
500. May I bring that?
No. How much is one? 100 naira.
200. So now eat anytime.
Eat anytime.
200. Go grab something.
You know what I eat? I want to go eat some. I like to eat some. Give me change. Man, I go put on joint pound. Maybe not going to see my pound.
Dave cannot give that. No bound.
You're not giving me my change.
Where is this?
When I don't know say the price of it, I don't buy mangi. Alright, Jerry. I think we're done for now. Let's go. Never open. You use plum now. You use plum. My wife here, yo. You know, go get shock. I will see. No. Let's go see what happened. Yeah, it's network. So we're back. Today, the network cannot allow us not to do it one. We'll be reconnecting one after the other. For those that want to support us, I think I'll just drop our. Let me pin our account number there before doing any other thing. Network not reach. Please share as you are joining us. Share. You know. We do this together. Our account number has been pinned, so you can send us any donation you feel like. Let's enjoy. Now let's do business again. Let's hope they will allow us back here. Come on, sir. Come on. Okay, party. Come on. Temporarily. I'm moving on. Oh yeah. Okay. Not too long, man. No worries. We'll talk to her peacefully. Yeah. Call, man. Yes, man. A charity organization, man. You might be like the one. Pan no that house. Ni moto na any na win na give my drive is was a man parking. No, ma, we don't have 30 minutes there, sir. Let me I drop the car key if possible, but I'm not spending 30 minutes anyways. I know I don't want them to really block me as you said, but yeah, park a man and I don't go along and not park. I might be there. That's my fear. Make better. Me different now, me tamu. Ma, you wa. Yeah, you want to have other things I'm doing. Laoma. And funny enough, we need to go and tell them to bring a wheelbarrow to carry it. Are we going to be dragging in there? They said I get wheelbarrow for the house just now, but more you carry that man don't carry up. Selflessness, by the story. God bless my crew. You see them carrying stuffs on their head, or just to attend to a needy. You understand? So it's not as if it's a swift process. That's why I appreciate General Elvis for encouraging my crew. You understand? For appreciating. I also appreciate my sister T Baby, Tracy Baby. Thank you for appreciating my crew. You already sent us something for them. You know, we don't put this people on salary. We just do selfless service. You get. So God bless you all for supporting me, supporting my crew, taking food to the common man. We are cool. We like them. At least we get food to eat, but more give people who no get. They are walking here on this road. We won't be long here. I just want to give them this stuff, and I know you dance just as they are funny people. They make me laugh a little, and then I'll leave. Then so I can relax. The people working in Eritio's place, I'm supposed to go and pay them today, but now I can't go there again. So I have to now transfer their money to them. Because I told them to plaster the Eritio bedroom today. And then all those windows, I told them to use, what was it called, cement to shock it, so that they can come and put the glass. Tomorrow if I'm going, I want to stop by the glass guy place and tell him, hey, come go put the glass for them. And then I hope to go and hang that door tomorrow. We are laying ties there too tomorrow. So God bless our sister. I don't want to mention your name, for giving us money to buy food and share in your area. So if you also have your own area here in Nigeria, you can say Collins might send you money, go give share for Mama Street. People live there. If we feed the people in your Mama Street, they'll be praying for you. The way you come from abroad, your entire area, you'll be like when governor they come us. Okay, because you are feeding them from afar. You get, God bless you all. So we're already close to the past place. You see, like my crew carrying half bag of fries on shoulder. You know, they don't want to carry yam up. God bless them. And it's a selfless service. These are not people on salary. Just get to encourage them little, you know. So you see the barricade, that's why we couldn't drive down here. There's a barricade, you see. That's why we couldn't drive down here. So if you now say we want to start walking in this house, how do we now walk here when there's no road? Hopefully by Monday there will be opened road and then we can come here. So we'll get to do the needful here. Plastering, all these stuffs you see there, we'll remove all of them. We'll put glass here. You know, so up to vegetables we go for them. Yes, ma. So those are the materials. As you can see, we bought 2 bags of yam, I think about 10, and then we bought half bag of rice. You know, I think we bought this about 11,500, and this one about how much? Close to 4,000 naira. And then, so we thank God for messages and support again. So and then I think there's mangi. Wow, I am mangi, but not the mangi banner. No mangi, you know. So they are grateful. Ipa is grateful. Pass a thank you to you and you supporting the process. You understand? So even you is saying thank you for putting a smile on their face. So I think that's the process for now. We've been able to do this, ladies and gentlemen. We've been able to do this. The plastering of that wall and then the windows to fix will kick up hopefully by Monday because of inaccessible road. But we're still hoping for the PVC to be done. You understand? You can do the PVC review. This PVC. Thank you for our sister who bought these new curtains for them yesterday. God bless you, man. God bless you. This is beauty. God bless you for this curtain. And they went round. You see them, 2 there, another 2 there. So we'll take up all those plants and then we'll put windows there. It's been paid for. The windows and then the plastering of the whole wall has been paid for. You understand? So we hope for the PVC to be taken care of. So thank you for assisting this family. And the Emudia Foundation is so grateful for assisting this family. Thank you. He is now looking very beautiful. See here now, this is not a part cheek. When a part look at you now, he will be so happy and in bed with this. This is not a part girlfriend. Okay? A girlfriend you went on here, so you know, and this is a EA's boyfriend. And maybe like Tupac. Thank you for the cloth. Happy, my sister happy from Italy. Thank you for buying this cloth for your pa and EA. Thank you for buying that cloth for you. She's grateful. So they are so grateful. On this note, I think we've done enough for today. We were sharing food. We went to share yam at Ogiso. And then we're here now for Iya and Epa. They've been dressed. You know, they'll keep dressing and looking fine. Epa will not wear one cloth 2 times again. Tomorrow when we're coming, Epa will wear another polo. You know, maybe on this trouser. Will not feel bad. If Epa wear polo on this trouser, we can understand. I just wear this today now. You know, tell her Opa. Oh, where now? Are nitty? Who are you cool? Okay, I'm not since you go to my agree, you know, we are nitty. You don't need so, I'm worried. You could let me know. So that they make another thing, do you need go now? So, me I got Dave Akwe. If we come tomorrow, I don't think, do we? Are we coming tomorrow? I want to give a power phone. Make an idea that phone, you promise you. Telephone, you make an idea and call you, you know. So working we on this base, we leave. If I will say good night to all of you. So you is saying good night to you too. You Wawesi. So it's a good night from this family. It's a good night from this family. I think God bless you. And so you see the happiness and smile you put on their faces there. God bless you, all of you. Thanks for trusting Collins Emudia Foundation with your finance. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for trusting us with your finance. Thanks for believing in us. Thanks for being with us since morning. Go ahead. You know, so we appreciate you all. And then it's going to now be music drive home time. You know, please help me pray for Kada one of Madrid. Yesterday I went to show you his shop where he carries bill for people. I told you yesterday that if you want to carry any of your bill from Italy, from Germany, from Spain, Kada is the most reliable person to carry it for you. And they'll come and drop it in Benin City. The office is supposed to collect. We'll drive past there just now. You get. So yesterday evening, Kada called me. He didn't send me to go to that place. He only told me this time office side. But I just entered there and saw things myself. I decided to encourage him. I'm opening it to the world so that people will get to say, so I can actually just call this guy to carry my things. They're not Boston for Lagos. He go reach Benin successfully. You get. So he called me and said he was going to give me 150 kilo of bay. I don't know what's in the bay. Say I should go and distribute. God bless him. He just called me yesterday. He said, Collins, go and collect it today and share. And I told him I'm busy sharing food today. That I'll go and collect it and maybe tomorrow. So because I've been too busy, I've not called him as his manager. I'll call his manager later so that I can go and collect the 150, 180 kilo of bay that he said he wants to give to my Collins Emudia Foundation to share for people. So by the time we open the bay, we'll start going street to street. Anybody will say, take this shirt, you take this one. And we'll be sharing it. God bless him. Kada one of Madrid. Collins Emudia Foundation say thank you for clothing Edo people here. Thank you. So it's time for us to just play music and then go home, so that we can relax. We've taken much of the time today. We've been together since morning, 11 a.m. A lot of you here have been with me on video. When I put on pull leg, cross leg. As I go off network, they run enter the next place. If I'm Collins Emudia should be live again. And I'm always live with you because it's always fun being with you guys when I'm working. It's always fun. Your encouragement, I see all your comments, all your prayers, all your support. God bless you. If you want to reach Collins Emudia, please, when you are done with this video, you can call me. You can call me. You can write me on WhatsApp. You are watching us on YouTube. You can call me. You can write me on WhatsApp. Our number is displayed there. You can watch us via Daniyaji YouTube. It's our guy. God bless him. So you can call us. Just call me. Collins, this is what I want to do. I want to do this. Trust me, to be done. The next day you come back to YouTube, you will see it. Oh, yesterday I sent him this morning. Oh, today is already working. He's a great guy. My soul. It's better than our content. I don't go down yesterday. You understand? So God bless you for your support. Where's Emma? God bless you.
Collins, you don't try for today. For the food where you share today, where you go street, they give people food. You can't still see a pa, still go market, go do shopping for them. I beg, you try for today. As una take watch this video, if una get anything we una want make una talk concerning wetin una don see wey Collins dey do for this video, make una put am for comment section, and Collins number still dey here for this video. Una fit still call am for anything. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.